My favorite thing to do on a rainy, yucky day is go thrifting. So let's head into the Goodwill Bins and see what we can find. They got a lot of stuff up here on top. I'm gonna look through the wall first because I am hoping that maybe they will change it out while I'm here. What is this? There's some holes in this. Looks like an older piece. Probably went in something, but I'm sure one of y'all know what that is used for. Man, so there's newspaper and it looks old. There was probably old stuff in here. I missed it. Got lots of picture frames. That might have been all this stuff that's up here. That was wrapped up in newspaper. Oh my gosh, look. A bear with a little noonie. Who's this? Like a golfer guy? Here's a Christmas teapot. It's missing the top. Skeleton. We got all the holidays happening. These are pretty empty. I wonder when they put these out. Here's some wood stuff. And these, let's check it out. Some wood letters. Know what this is. There's another one. Not sure what those are. Cute little ghosts. Some signs. It looks like the top to something. Some knife blocks. They must have cleared out the wood aisles at the regular Goodwill. Some fans. These were, y'all, stop. These were $1.99 at Goodwill. No way. No wonder they're at the Goodwill Bins. Here's a little cutting board. Smaller knife block. Where's the good wood stuff? Of bags, coat hangers. Oh, here's some little wooden stands. These are oval shaped. These are good just to have in your DIY stash. It's like a bobbin, but somebody, oh look, they turned it into a snowman with a little hat. We'll add it to the cart. I'll think about it. I wonder if I could get this stuff off of it with a little bit of heat gun. I don't know if that felt's gonna come off. Ooh, it's a mirror. Oh, that's probably why it's here. It's broken. It's pretty though. Does it matter that it's broken? Maybe I can turn it into something else, like some hanging artwork. They have lots of toys on this side. If this is the lid to that piece we found on that side over there. It looks like the same color. Should we go check it out? All right, let's see if it fits. I don't know if this goes with this or not. What y'all think? Here's a cute little pillow. Oh, got some stains on it. And it can't be washed. I don't know. I think I'm gonna leave it here. Look at this shirt. Ooh, I like these buttons right here. There's some little fancy girls. Oh, I like how it has the flowers under her umbrella. Stamp Japan. It's like a little peel box. Is this a butter pat? Is it small enough to be considered a butter pat? Japan sticker on the bottom. And then this right here also has a tag. I don't love the look. Ooh, this side's cute though. All glossy white. That'd be really pretty with some florals in it. This girl right here, she is also stamped Japan. Mary Dare. I like the little cross-stitch piece. I wish it just had a picture on it. Okay, I don't know. I don't like her face. I think she's pretty, and I like that she has the lace and stuff right here. And this is cute. That'd be a fun little giveaway or to stick in a vignette. I think I'm going to get these pieces right here. Lots of big stuff in this bin. Ooh, look at this fancy lamp. I didn't know they made, fan. I didn't know they made fans with these kind of globes. I feel like that's something people would put in their house, like right now. It's back in style. What is this? Oh, it's a big Santa hat. I wonder what it went on. Do I need this? That'd be a cute, oh, this is a tree topper. Oh my gosh. Ren would probably like that. I'm gonna put it in my cart and think about it. They have lots of bins of DVDs. Oh my gosh, look at this, all of the minis. Okay, Ren does not need any more of these, so I'm not gonna get them, but some little girl needs to come rescue this, y'all. This is probably several $100 of little toys. No lie, all this LOL stuff. Yeah. Okay, we don't need any more. How many Stanleys does a LOL doll need? All right, I see some boxes over here. Man, I've already been dug through. They just brought out some new bins, but it's all clothing. So I'm not worried about it. It's over there, the new bin that they brought out. Shoes, and then it looks like this bin is full of clothing. It's a Christmas tree. I think it's missing some pieces. Clothing. Little bead garland. Ooh, has vintage Christmas in here. What's this? Is this a penguin pin cushion? I think somebody made this. That is vintage, but I think I'm gonna leave it here. Ooh, cute little deer. I will take him for Christmas decor. Ooh, here is a sewing machine. The top is in really rough shape, but the cast iron base looks really good. It has the wheel where you push that down and it spins. What's the price on this? Ooh, only $20, y'all. It would be worth it just to get this base, and then you can remove the top and put something different on. Look, it also has the sewing machine in it as well. There's some cute little mugs. I don't remember seeing these. Oh, Andrea Basadeke. These are adorable. There's some chips on them. So they got that little piece of gold right here. Here's a cute little bell. 2000 Christmas bell. Okay, I think I'm gonna get all of these pieces. They're pulling out some bins off the floor and they're gonna bring some new ones. I'm gonna see what those are, and then I'll probably head out because they haven't really been bringing anything good out, and I haven't been finding anything. I'm just looking through to see if I missed anything. Like, I didn't see those cups before, but sometimes people, you know, have stuff in their cart and then they put it back up. That's why you always gotta do another lap, and for sure always check the bins by the register, because that's where people tend to throw stuff back the most. Well, I guess today is one of those days where we are just not going to find a lot at the Goodwill bins. They've been bringing stuff out, but it hasn't really been good, so I think I'm going to head out. I did get a few things though, so y'all leave a comment below. Let me know what is your favorite item that I got today, and I will be back. Maybe tomorrow it's going to be absolutely amazing here at the Goodwill bins, but you just don't know. You gotta come and you gotta look.